How to edit and export for Instagram. To begin, I added a video to my timeline that I want to export for Instagram. Click anywhere in your timeline, then go to Sequence Settings. In pop-up window, set frame size to 1080 by 1350 so it would be 4 by 5 and click OK. Now with your clip selected, go to Effect Controls and increase scale to delete black bars. Also, change the position values so your subject is in the middle of the scene. Now click anywhere in your timeline, then go to File, Export Media. Make sure the format is set to H.264 and preset is set to Match Source High Bitrate or Match Source Adaptive High Bitrate. Make sure both video and audio are checked. Click on this button to change export location of your video. In Video tab, go down and check Render at Maximum Depth. Go down a little more, under Bitrate Settings, and change encoding to VBR2 pass. If you want higher quality resulting in higher file size, increase target bitrate, and if you want lower quality resulting in lower file size, decrease it. At last, check Use Maximum Render Quality and press Export. Anyway guys, thanks for watching and I hope you found this useful.